start off today's video with this. Damn. This is a Jaguar XKR-S GT, and it is a sports version of a sports version of the XK, and it is absolutely one of the greatest cars I've ever driven so far. It's so fun and it looks so good. They only made around 40 of them for the whole world as far as I know, and this is the only one that was made in black. All the other ones are white or red. So in a way, this is 1 out of 1 in the whole world. I won't be driving this for a very long time. I'm actually on the way to drop this off at the garage of the owner and to swap with the GT86, which just had some work done on it, which I will go in more detail probably in the next video where I actually reveal the car. But yeah, today is the 86 day because it's August 6th. So we're actually gonna go pick up the 86 and head to Daikoku and see if we can find some kind of action tonight. Hopefully a little bit more than the 7th day because it's a Friday night, but we can also hope that the police don't shut down the parking area too quickly tonight. So let's go pick up the 86. So here we go, back in the GT86 again. So when I said that it was getting something done, it's nothing major, just this thing right here. So yeah, until today, the car did not have any nav system or audio system here. It was taken out, and in its place there was some kind of blitz gadget here. It used to like read temperatures and stuff like that, and it was just completely unnecessary, and I really wanted to get some music back in the car. So yeah, I tried doing it by myself, but for some reason the cords were all cut up, so I had it looked at and replaced. So now we can listen to some music as we make our way to Daikoku. And we just made it, and right off the bat, the majority of the 86s here are of course GT86s. I can already see a few AE86s in the back, so let's just walk around and yep, enjoy the night until either it all ends or the police kick us out. Let's just go down this row and see what there is here. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of non-8086 cars today, so I'm down to check out things like this R34. That's pretty sick. I like the color is a little bit purplish rather than blue. I don't know if my camera's gonna pick it up very well, but pretty nice. Here's a couple right here right now, 11 right here on Watanabe wheels, all red completely, unlike the one in the back. Usually I used to see these in two-tone, but it's really cool to see a completely red one like this. Not entirely sure about the roof scoop. Reminds me of the one you see on Imprezas. If anybody knows what that is and if this actually came standard with the AE86, let me know. And then right next to it we keep going. This blue coupe looks really nice as well with some big fog lights. Check out the wheels on this R32. Fairly interestingly stands out. Gonna show some love to the GT86s as well. This one seems to, this is the newer one with all the TRD goodies, I guess.
She used to be the car, but now she wants to, I told her, yeah, it's so busy.
Another AE86 here, all by itself. Mismatched wheels, not sure about that one, but I'm not sure about the Shelby thing on the side, but still nice, still nice. Can't ignore this S14 here. It's not a 86, but damn, that looks really, really cool. I feel like I've seen this car before somewhere, but I could be wrong. That's pretty sick. Let's see what else we can find interesting on this side. some Evos, including a Too Fast, Too Furious replica. That's pretty insane. I don't know how, I can't remember to detail, but it looks quite accurate. At least down to the side decals right there. Pretty sick. Got some nice JZXs here. Y number. And a crown. Let's check out these 86s though. This is a pretty insane looking one. I saw this at the 86 event at Fuji Speedway about 2 months ago. That's pretty sick as well. Then there's this really nice, kind of silver but almost yellowish looking 11 right here. I like the N2 style front bumper there. Reminds me of the old race cars. And got a few more AE86s in the back here. This one looks really, really clean and nice. So, as we say, GT86 rolling by. But yeah, this is pretty nice. Another nice chaser here. Full origin kit. And then a few wild GT86s here, Rocket Bunny. And I think this is a mix of Rocket Bunny and the Aim Gain front bumper. And so on. Not sure what's happening with this AE86 here, but okay. It's a very nice R32 rolling out. Another nice A86 rolling in, all yellow this time. Let's say 11 coupe. I think I can see another one in the back here. Yep, that's another nice 11 in panda coloration. It's pretty sick. So it's still quite early in the night, and this is a really, really good turnout. So far, it's way, way better than Sevens Day. But yeah, let's hope some more pop in and let's see what we can do. Here we go. They're already starting to make announcements. I can totally expect something to be closed down today, so hopefully it just doesn't happen too soon. You can see a few more A86s rolling in now. Okay, so they started giving warnings because they are aware that today is August 6th, which is the 86th day. They said they're gonna close the parking area if we don't leave. It's so frustrating. Also, holy shit, the CL 86 has scissor doors. I just realized that now. It's a very nice looking RX-7. Wish he was here for that 7th day meeting. And to add to the Fast and the Furious party, DK is here. Again, I can't exactly remember the cars and how good this replica is, but it's still pretty cool. Let's check out a few more AE86s that I've rocked up in the past few minutes. 2 red ones right here. This 11 looks really, really sick. I like the livery on it. An interesting mix in the back here with an 86 Really nice looking S13 and a pair of GTRs. Now this black one looks really, really sick. And this white one is like mostly stock, which is pretty rare to see. And I bet if he was to sell this one, he could probably get quite a lot of money for it. Have to give some love to the GT86s. It's quite a few of them here in all shapes and forms. There's a few of them rolling out now, unfortunately. Still a few more rolling in. I think this guy's getting ready to roll out as well. Take a closer look at it now. It's quite a wild build right there. There go the Fast and Furious guys. A few of the people rolling out now. Check out this Tamiya RX-7. More 86s rolling out. So good. Look at this R31. I saw it earlier, but I didn't have time to go check it out. And the cops are out, ready to lock it up. I guess this is where we finish today's video, at least. Out in force. And everyone's scramming. Getting more and more aggressive with their words now, so better get going back to the car. More and more cops coming out now. It's a bit of a traffic jam to get out of here, but yeah. There's still, interestingly, more people coming into the PA though, which means that they haven't blocked off the entrance for some reason, at least not yet. leave right away. And that pretty much wraps up 86th day at Daikoku this year. With the Olympics on and just the police and the government getting more and more strict about cars and stuff like that, all these events have been shut down by the police really, really fast and really early lately. So honestly, it was way, way better than 7th day. I think there was a lot more 86s that showed up than RX-7s on the 7th day. So I'm really happy, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I promise the next video will be a full reveal of the car, this GT86 that I bought, and I hope you guys will follow along as I kind of go through the stages of owning this car. So see you in the next video.